I feel delighted to say that with all our collective efforts, we have now declared one union territory, that's Lakshadweep, and one district in Jammu and Kashmir, Budgam, as tuberculosis free. I think this is a landmark achievement to begin with, and I think it has already set the tone for a TB free India by 2025. As you all know, the last few years have seen our country make significant strides in improving health indicators. These advances have been unprecedented in terms of both their scale as well as their reach, and they bear a rich testimony to our combined commitment towards a healthy and more productive India. World Health Organization, where I have also enjoyed the privilege of being associated with it as an advisor also for a number of years, and have worked like you also for many years in the field, has always been a constant source of transformative change